So I'm just gonna get my settings real quick. See here. That is so pretty. Love that.
We would love some eventually that has like the whole, the whole church.
Yeah. Oh, so coming down here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, perfect.
So yeah, you're good.
Awesome. So just, can you both look at me? Can you look at each other? And then can you look at Patrick? Both look at each other? I'm gonna come over this way, so I can get your face a little more, Patrick.
Okay. We don't even have to like be in it. I just thought that would be cute. You don't want your leg to show. Like that.
Doesn't want to work right now. Can you look at each other? Big smiles.
Maybe some of us like walking down the stairs together, just like action shots. What do you think?
I could do like a continuous shot.
Yeah,
So
that'd be cute. That'd be cool.
whenever you're ready. Let's see here. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Still on high. Beautiful. Look at each other. Oh, I like that. Look at each other. to do with this one. Try to grab each other's hands.
Like that.
Yeah. And then don't put your hands to, yeah, relax them and then come in closer. So you want your hands to like be chest to chest. But remember not to curl your hand. Yep. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're clueless.
Can you put your foreheads together?
No, you're fine. You look at her and smile.
Gonna switch real quick. Can you keep that?